Alright, these are the medical center building elevators here at Christus Muguerza, alta especialidad in Monterrey, Mexico. These are KONE. I think we're gonna do one ride because there may be some patients, so we're gonna get the left one. We're here on the second floor. We're getting the right one. Wow, such a... Let's go up to A. Wow, gotta love, this is such a beautiful KONE. Here at the rooftop. And the flat not only comes on. Right there's your rooftop. Oh. -4. And the fan just went off. You're at -4. Alright. Okay, this is the only time we're going down to the basement, so. Such a hospital-sized elevator. And there I am. Hey, we're here at the fixers and the indicator, and here there's your floor guide. Hold up. We were at 2. Made a mistake. This down here is where that's where they most carry patients, so. And there's your keypad right there, and here at 2. Catch the other one. So we're here on the second floor. I just got confused for a second. I think we're gonna get the right one again. Yeah, the other one just left, so you got that one coming. Oh, both of them came down. Let's just point this down because estoy subiendo.
Sí, unos.
Al 4, pero me equivoqué tantito. Gracias. Alright, Oye, es que estoy subiendo.
Sí, pues sí.
Por accidente el piqué -4. Pero si quiere adelante.
¿Vas a bajar?
Voy a subir. Es que nada más le piqué por accidente ahí.
No va a bajar entonces.
No se confunda. En cuanto bajemos le voy a cerrarle. Uy, vas al 5.
Sí.
Uy, no sabía.
¿Y usted?
Creo que ahí mismo.
¿A las 5 también?
Sí.
Mira.
So guys, we are going down. Unfortunately, we're not going to the rooftop this time. Someone's getting on at 4. Baja.
Sí, bajo.
¿Al 2?
1.
¿Al 1?
1, gracias.
Yo estaba así medio.
That's one there.
Gracias, hijo.
No. All right. These are KONE. I forgot to mention that these are KONE Ecodisc installed in 2020. Gotta love that indicator. These are kind of similar to the other ones, the ones with the weird with the 2-speed over here at -4 again. All right, up to 2 1 there. There's that messed up basement. Let's do one last cab view. Again, you really nice KONE elevator, hospital size. Look in the mirror. Hey, right here are the fixtures. There's a 4-guide and an indicator. So,
Sí.
alright. This time, watch one go out. Okay, that's this. Alright. Just having to point the camera now because there's too many people coming by. There goes that one, and there goes the right one. There they both go, and that's it.